Hola Amigos, we are The Roots. On this blog, we are sharing with you our ups and multiple downs on our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. So please tag along on this journey. Are we there yet, Mr. Root?
On today's episode, we finally made it to Yellowstone. We were in awe, seeing the absolute beauty of the park. We witnessed the power of nature, absolutely spectacular.
If you saw our previous videos, then you know that we are on our first road trip on our, for now, rolling tent. So the gist of the trip basically was departing from Phoenix, from there to Sequoia National Park, then Yosemite, from there San Francisco, and then up to explore the Oregon coast all the way to Portland. Then, as we make our way east, we stop at Twin Falls to finally make it to Yellowstone and the Grand Teton to finalize the trip to Zion National Park before getting back home. Today, we briefly explore around the Yellowstone caldera, stopping, of course, in all the major sites. NIMAX there? Oh, okay. So where are we, Mr. Root?
Yellowstone West Gate entrance.
Yes. And as it turns out, the town is pretty much a tourist trap.
As it turns out, we already knew that.
Oh, we knew that? I didn't know that.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't know. I knew it was a cute town and like a...
Yellowstone is a tourist trap.
Yep, it is a tourist trap. Cute tourist traps, right?
Yeah. I mean, we don't have anything to do for the next
Neither I do.
hours.
So what do you think about my hat? Howdy.
Go.
Yeah, kids very embarrassed over the mother. Obviously. And also guacamole
No kidding.
with lemon tostitos, clamato. What are you doing, Mr. Root?
We're making moves.
Okay.
Do we know what that is?
I'm no longer interested.
It sounds like a cow with a goat. I don't know. I'm mystified. Okay, so we're grilling here in the park, and then he's doing
It's too light to do.
what is that, senor?
Fideo or conchas.
Fideo.
If you want to call it fideo, you can call it fideo, or you can call it concha.
Fideo soup in the concha shape, which is a shell. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Just so mixed up today.
So where are we going, guys?
Just going out shopping. We're going to secretly get ice cream because Ryan has his.
Ryan's taking a nap because we're not gonna be sleeping too much tonight to
And
the
we're
park.
gonna go shopping, walking around.
We're gonna get ice cream. Hold on.
We're gonna walk around.
We're gonna walk without adult supervision.
Ryan
so we're gonna
was
get
like,
ice cream.
"We're not getting ice cream."
We're getting
and
a
I was
cheap one, a
like,
small one. You guys spend more money
Lame.
than hijos tarados in Harvard. Seriously, you guys are more expensive than stupid kids in Harvard.
"On a scholarship, though."
Come on. No. So we're in the ice cream, and the ice cream kids are so cute. My girls are like, oh, blah, 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 blah.
It wasn't me. It was Marissa.
So cute.
I didn't even notice because I. Okay, stop.
Catch it, baby. Cute, cute.
Marissa, if you're gonna like one of them,
Yeah, you
do
see.
not like
Boys. So good morning, everyone. From Yellowstone. National Park is freaking freezing. Must be like 5 in the morning. Must be kind of the first ones in the park. We did some night photography last night and we slept a little bit. We moved the bus just a few minutes ago to a picnic area so we can have breakfast. But look at this place, how beautiful it is. Can you imagine how cold that water is? Freaking freezing. So where are we going?
To the Norris Geyser.
Norris Geyser?
Correct.
Are you guys excited?
It smells like rotten.
You guys don't look excited. You guys look...
Absolutely ecstatic at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, I haven't been up since like 5:30, right?
Yes.
Because Sasquatch wake us up. We slept
Or maybe
clandestinely.
I don't think it was Sasquatch. I think it was the toilet cleaning guy.
It's the same thing. Wow. It smells wonderful. Wow, this looks like another planet.
Yeah.
Wow. What do you think, you guys?
It's warm here.
It's warm here. Okay, what do you think, Mr. Ruth?
I like it.
I like it. Wow. For those of you that haven't been in Yellowstone, God, you have to come here once in your life. It's so beautiful. But this has to be one of the most beautiful places on the planet. Good Lord, look at that. The sound of the water is just beautiful. The waterfall is like right there, and there is another one on the bend back there. What do you think, Mr. Root? You like it? Wow. Oh my goodness. What do you think, Papi?
Oh yeah.
What do you think? You like it? Beautiful, huh?
I know, but you shouldn't definitely go like this.
Well, it definitely goes. Whoa. Oh my God. You guys like it?
Yeehaw!
The buffaloes in the wild. I don't know, you can see them. They're right there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total here. We're parking a little lookout area. I mean, everybody's bitching and whining that the parks are full, but if you show up at 6 in the morning, you can just be able to drive around and park around. It smells awesome! Wow! Woo! We stop and smell the flowers. Oh, these flowers been dead for a while.
It smells like decomposing rat.
Decomposing rats. Wow.
Rotten eggs.
Wow.
It smells like decomposing rats with rotten eggs put on them.
Wow. Oh, come on. Is that bad?
It smells like burnt tires.
Yeah, we stopped to smell the flowers.
It smells like sulfur.
Are you smelling flowers, you guys?
Sure.
So look to see what's in the left first.
Wow! Look at that. Whoa.
Probably like trees and stuff.
Maybe we are.
Oh, interesting.
That's a mud lava, a mud volcano. I mean.
There's just mud and
Wow. The drive around Yellowstone Lake is full of picturesque opportunities and awesome wildlife everywhere.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, just wanna see the
After what seems a whole day of traveling, we finally made it to Old Faithful, and we took a seat along with a few other 100 people and waited for the show.
I'm so sick of waiting and getting too restless to be in this dusty town. I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try.
It was truly spectacular.
So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face wherever I look. I'm blinded by the light. So let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, died a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the
After Old Faithful show, of course, we went and peeked inside the Old Faithful Inn that was built in 1904 with a massive riot-lit fireplace and marvelous woodwork detail inside. We truly didn't want to miss this one.
I won't look back. I close my eyes. Let the past be down my life. So let go. I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, but a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light.
In our way out of the park, we finally stopped at the Lower Geyser Basin, where we took the boardwalk around the beautiful fountain paint pot area.
I've heard of this place where people forget and you get another try. So come open up my door. I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. I won't see your face where
Every single one of these hot springs are full of mesmerizing colors, and the water has this magical blue that gives the urge to jump on it. However, they are as deadly as they are beautiful.
bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. 'Cause I just wanna see the light. Yeah, I just wanna see the light.
As we say in a previous video, the intention of this first trip was to give the kids a brief view on what is there to see. We will be coming back at a slower pace and truly explore all what Yellowstone has to offer. Well, that's it for today, you guys. Please consider subscribing, smash that bell, and know that wherever you are in the world, we wish you good health. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.